YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video is a little bit different, something I haven't done before, but my daughter about to go pick them up right now, and my oldest daughter has never been in the front seat of any car, so I'm about to go get her and see her reaction to riding in the front seat. Because times have changed. When I was her age, I started riding in the front seat when I was like 3 years old. Laws have changed since then, showing my age right there. But I was born around a time where, like, when I was 2 and 3, my dad used to sit me on his lap and I would steer the car. Now you probably end up in jail, kids taken away from you. But we're not doing that. We're going to be within the law. So my girl is legally able to ride in the front seat. This will probably be the first and only time for right now, because her and her sister like to fight, and I'm not about to be dealing with that. But I'm gonna surprise her today, pick her up in the Camaro, which I haven't done yet, and they haven't been in the Camaro in so long. They're kind of outgrowing it because they're getting so big. But let me go get them. And before you step away from the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. So Jay got a surprise.
Huh?
I'm gonna let you ride up front today.
Yay!
Alright, Jasper, here, you can sit behind Jay. So Jay, here, you slide the seat up.
Hey, Daddy, what if we get toothbrushes?
Here, sit down.
I'm tall enough?
Yep, you're gonna be on YouTube too, so the camera's going. That's the camera right here.
Oh.
I want to sit right there.
Hi, Jasper.
I want to sit right there. I want to sit right
Do I have to wear a seatbelt?
Of course.
Oh.
Alright, here, let's slide you up.
Where's the seatbelt?
Wait, oops, sorry.
It's okay.
Alright, get in.
Daddy, did you check if I was high enough?
I want to sit right there.
Jasper, get in the car, man. You gotta put your legs in the car.
I want to sit right
All right.
there.
Hi, Jasper.
I want to sit right there.
Alright, you know how to slide the seat forward?
Yep. It's right here.
Nope, it's all the way up here.
Oh.
Gotta push it forward. Jasper, don't click the seat. Stop.
I want to sit right there.
Is it moving up? Alright, that's good. It might be too close. Alright, let's
I want this far.
stop.
The seatbelt.
Alright.
Small.
What's too small?
Right here.
What's right? You got a lot of space. You can kick your feet. See you kicking the seat.
I want to kick it.
Daddy, when Mommy takes me to school in the morning, can I sit in the front seat?
You gotta talk to her about that. This might be a one-time thing. I don't know. That's we're gonna be on YouTube, so you better smile.
No, I want
Jasper, people can hear you talking.
to sit in the front seat.
Don't touch it, Jay.
Why is the camera beeping like
Hey, that
that?
means it's recording.
Why is it recording on
So
me?
they're making the video.
You are?
Yeah, slide your seat back, son. You probably all your face all close. Jasper,
Can
stop.
I sit right there?
Yeah, I told y'all it was gonna be a hard time.
No, can I
Hey.
sit
Jasper, you're not old enough.
Jasper has to be 8 or something.
Yeah,
Or 9.
it's probably gonna scare the crap out of that little boy right there.
Who?
That kid. Let's see him jump. Yep.
He didn't do anything.
He did do something.
What do you do?
Uh-oh. Like we need gas.
What is the tank one?
Empty.
So can we drive?
Yeah, he buckled up.
This is a car. This is an electric car.
Electric car.
Yes.
Electric cars can't do this.
They can't.
No, electric cars are quiet. My car is very much well combustion.
That's combustion.
Means it takes gasoline, and to make the engine go, it takes fire to make the engine combust.
It can even make you lay down.
I can't go that far back. Don't want it that far. Don't move it anymore. You'll crush Jasper's legs.
Okay.
All these speed bumps.
I just bump looks like. It's like a square.
Yeah, it's gonna mess up my car.
Well, Daddy,
I'll be careful.
why do you need a new car?
Because I don't want to cram you girls into this car anymore.
But I can still sit here.
Yeah, but not in the back seat. Because you're not gonna ride in the front seat every time. This is a special occasion for you.
Does Jasper have a surprise?
Not yet, because I would get in trouble if she were to get in the front.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is there gonna be an amp, Daddy?
Huh?
It says always use seat belts for children.
Yep.
And
Nah,
that,
Jay, blocking the camera now. You gotta just sit back. How does it feel to be up here?
good.
Get off of
Hey,
there.
let's pull that off.
Because I'm looking at it.
I'm not gonna stop kicking.
You're not gonna stop kicking?
No.
How does it feel to be in the back seat?
Not good.
You wanna be in the front seat?
Yeah.
Jasper, this is recording, you know.
No.
People are gonna see you. You're just gonna embarrass yourself.
See, can you see a lot more up here than you can back there?
No.
Can.
No.
That's where you gotta sit down.
Actually, yes.
I can't see.
That's where sit back.
I can't see.
Sit back.
I can't see.
Sit all the way back. Jay, leave the seat alone, girl. Move it back.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the third time I told you that.
I got
Next
a
time you're just
muffin.
gonna get in the back seat.
I'm not eating that.
No, don't eat in here. You girls spilled too many crumbs.
Daddy, you can't leave the seatbelt all the way back.
This can spill crumbs.
No, don't eat that in here. You'll get my seat sticky.
What is it?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. That's not sticky. Daddy,
Yeah.
what's 40,000 times 300 million? I figured out the right answer. It's not 12 trillion.
It's not 12 trillion?
No, I thought it was.
120 trillion?
No, Daddy, I didn't tell you.
What is it?
I don't know if this is 1 trillion, but it's 1.2 e to the 13th power.
It's a huge number.
But it doesn't look like it's a huge number.
They actually simplify it by putting to the whatever power.
Daddy, 40,000 times 500 million is 1.2 to the 20th power.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy,
Yes.
how long does it take to ride around the world by a car?
You can't ride around the world by a car because you will run in the water. Cars don't really go in water like that.
What about a boat?
You will run into land, so you would have to avoid some the land. So you can do it by airplanes. You don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, you could just sit in an airplane.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, have you ever been to East Africa?
Nope, haven't been to Africa at all.
Have you been to
What
Egypt?
you have?
When? I haven't. Egypt is in Africa too.
I see.
You can't. Huh?
Can't see the video.
It's the camera right here, Jasper.
Oh.
Hey, Joshua, I didn't see you.
You do. And I see a big fat car.
That is not a fat car. This car is
Hey, there's a
small.
big fat car behind me. There is 9 and 0 and 8 and 0 and 1 a big number.
Depending on what it is.
That's just 908. Oh, she said 9 and 1 and 9 and 0. That's 9,189. Daddy, So now I know the left is this way and the right is this way.
Yep, good job.
Thanks, subscribe.
Oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
Do this real fast. Jasper, sit back.
You gotta give it to me.
Yes, I got it. Thank you. You carry it.
Here, Jasper. Daddy, no one can see Jasper.
They might be able to. I don't know. She's moving around a lot back there. If I do one more of those, we're gonna be walking home.
Walking where?
Home. About to run out of gas.
Daddy, you only have 1 negative gas.
We got like 0 litres of gas right on E. You see my gas light is on?
Yes. Daddy, why do people have Halloween stuff still?
I don't know. They did. Halloween was just like, what, yesterday?
Yeah.
They gotta get a chance.
Daddy,
Huh?
why didn't you come trick-or-treating with us?
I had to work.
We
Put my
went,
business all out there.
huh?
Put my business all out there.
Daddy,
Huh?
one time I saw someone standing on a roof.
What are they doing there?
They were fixing the roof.
Oh, that makes sense.
But then they just jumped off the roof.
How'd they jump off the roof?
They were running and they thought they could run in the air, but they just failed.
Is that fake?
Joke.
Alright, so did you have fun?
Yes.
What'd you like?
I like that you were like spinning the car.
I was doing what?
You're spinning the car.
Spinning the car?
Yeah, you're spinning.
Like how?
You, so first we were going straight.
Where you going? Hey, come back here. That's all we got for today, folks. Gotta wipe my SD card because this thing keeps filling up. But yeah, they enjoyed it. I knew from the get-go it was gonna be a big fight. Little sister was gonna get mad at the big sister and she didn't want to be in the car at all. So not sure how often we're gonna do this. Every once in a while, if the behavior is good, positive reinforcement is what I'm gonna use to allow her to ride in the front seat. So small update, the Subaru WRX will be at the dealership November 9th, estimated time. So that's where we are. So next week, actually, I'll be here. I'll be here kind of fast, so hopefully there's no delays. Other cars I was looking at, those were actually pushed back, so the WRX is looking like a strong one. And then there's a Focus RS that might be available to me. So how old were you when you first rode in the front seat? And if you do have kids, how old were they when they first rode in the front seat? So my daughter is at the legal age in Michigan and the minimum height to ride in the front seat, so it took a long time for that to happen. So the laws changed drastically over the years. Like I said earlier, my dad used to let me sit in his lap and steer, and then car seats became a thing. I don't even know when that happened, sometime between the 80s and 90s. So they got on that, as they should have, because car seats definitely save lives and make sure you're out here driving safely, especially with the kids. So I'm Q, leaving you all with that. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.